I said this earlier, but for the new participants who joined in, we will wait for till 8:03, so like one more minute, and then we'll start our opening ceremony.
Wait, Prisha, you're muted.
Sorry, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to our Katie Youth Hackathon. This is our third hackathon for 2024, and I just want to thank everyone for participating and joining our opening ceremony. Oh. You're on mute.
Okay, so first, a quick introduction to Kitty Youth Hacks. So we've been running Kitty Youth Hacks for 3 years now, and we're a hackathon that is over the weekend, usually in August. And it's a hackathon run by a club at our school called Girls Who Code Katie. And we have students and participants from all over the world competing in our hack.
And this year we have raised more than 40K in prizes. And over the past 3 years, we've been very privileged to be able to raise more than 100K in prizes. And this involves, free giveaways too. So even if you don't win, you get to have get some fun prizes from our sponsors. But basically, this hackathon lasts for 36 hours and we have one mission. So the hackathon starts 8 p.m. CDT and will end on Sunday, 8 a.m. CDT, marking 36 hours. And we're on one mission to promote to focus on a social issue and try to better it, which we hope to do with our unique theme this year.
All right, so this year our theme is accessibility. So this would mean just any technology that would be able to improve the inclusivity in the world. So this could be accessibility for people with disabilities, accessibility for different marginalized genders, different age groups, just in general, making the world more inclusive.
And before we begin going into further details, we want to give out a huge shout out to our sponsors who have helped out us this year and over the past 3 years. And due to their generous help, Katie Youth Hacks has been able to, continue for 3 years, and we're very grateful for them.
All right, so here's our schedule. So right now on the 2nd of August, we have our opening ceremony. And right after this, you guys can start beginning to create your projects. Tomorrow in the morning, if you guys are interested in learning how to code in JavaScript, Ashanti will be giving an Intro to JavaScript workshop. And you guys can all attend. Again, we'll put the Zoom link or the meeting link within the Discord and you guys can all join. At 11, we have a how to get an internship. So this would be helping you learn how to network, apply, and interview for different internship positions. And this will be by Shagun. And then at 2 p.m., we'll have Technology for Social Impact. So it's a workshop about how you can use technology to solve social issues within the world. And then on the 4th of August in the morning at 8, submissions will all be due. So you guys will submit videos and business pitches of your project and what you've been working on, as well as a GitHub file or any other way to show the code or whatever you've been working on through this weekend. And then on August 6th, our judges will finish judging the submissions, and then we'll have our final closing ceremony and we'll announce our winners on a Zoom meeting there.
And just to add on, all times are CDT. So just, adjust that for whichever time zone you are in. Yeah. So for registration, make sure that you have joined our dev post. This is very important as all your videos and your GitHub files will be submitted through here. So all your submissions are once again due at 8 a.m. So make sure to join our dev post, which is in our Discord server. Further, also join our Discord. I think our Discord is a very important channel, which we'll put the links in the chat. But Discord is where we're doing all our primary communication, whether that's over our guest speakers, our Zoom links, like to this opening ceremony. So make sure that you have joined both our dev post and Discord. And you can still register now. And if you want to register as a team, then just submit together on DevPost and that will be good. So yeah, so make sure you register to be part of our hackathon.
All right, so here are our rules. In our Discord and other servers, please be kind to all the other participants. Members must be at least 13 years old, and then teams can have at most 4 members. If you want to compete solo, this is also doable. So 1 to 4 members per team. Cross submissions will be allowed. So if there's another hackathon within the same time frame that you want to submit to, you can do this and just have fun. And we hope you have a great experience here.
Just make sure that the other hackathon also allows for cross submission in order to take part of that. And then we come to a fun part, prizes. So if you are first place, then you get JBL Bluetooth headphones along with a colorful mechanical keyboard. And our sponsor Desmos is also giving a free t-shirt. So those are the prizes which first place gets. Second place gets a Logitech mechanical mouse along with an Anker portable charger. And you're also eligible for a $25 Art of Problem Solving coupon. So shout out to AOPS for sponsoring us and Desmos as well. Then if you're third place, you get blue light glasses along with a Gradient Venture water bottle. And like second place, you also get a $25 Art of Programming problem solving coupon.
All right, so special prizes, we have 2. One of them is best design. So this one will be whichever one has the best, I guess, user interface. And if you're doing like a low code Figma app, this would also qualify for best design. So best design will win a Fiji Quick Snap camera as well as another $25 Art of Problem Solving coupon. And then lastly, we have Best Beginner Hack. So if this is your first time ever competing in a hackathon, you can mark it on a submission form and you will be eligible to win colorful lightning chargers, an XYZ domain, as well as another $25 AOPS gift card.
And as we mentioned earlier, even if you don't win, you're still eligible for prizes. You'll be able to get a free Wolfram 1 subscription along with a free interview cake prep course. And then you'll also get 90% off on free interview buddy course and along with a free .xy domain. So this is available for everyone. And as long as you submit something, you would be eligible for these prices as well. So make sure to sign up on DevPost to get these prices.
All right, so next, what you guys can build, we got some questions about this. So we can build anything that's related to, sorry, it's supposed to say accessibility. So this could be like websites, apps, robots, like low code solutions, just anything technology related that's also related to accessibility.
And what if you don't know how to code at all? That is perfectly fine. This hackathon, we encourage and hope you're able to find such a space. But some options that you can do is one, form a team and maybe find teammates who know how to code so you can learn along with your teammates. 2, you can use a low-code software, so you can use Figma, Webflow, Google Slides, which tend to be easier than going maybe using like programming languages such as Java, Python. So that's a great start as well. Or you can learn from our workshops. Like we have Intro to JavaScript workshop with Ashanti, so that could be really helpful if you want to get started. But we also have YouTube tutorials and there like bunch of free online websites where you can learn from. I'm pretty sure in our Discord channel, there's also a resources channel where you can see and find any tips for how to work on a project if you don't know how to code. So yeah, so these are all sorts of options which you have.
All right, so here is what we will be judging your products by this year. So first, all these things will be weighted equally. And the judges will be giving independent scores to each category for each project. So first we have creativity. So is this idea that you've presented like a new and novel, unique concept, or is it something that we've like probably already seen before? Next, we have the theme. So does it promote accessibility? And is it a viable solution to this issue? The third criteria is functionality. So this will look at the technical aspect of your program. So maybe low code apps would score lower in this category, but we'll look at the technical difficulty of your app as well as how well it works. For the fourth one, this will be based off of your video. So how well you've conveyed what your product is in your video and discussed the process of building your design. And then lastly, for design, we have is your, I guess, hack user-friendly, intuitive, and just easy to use.
If you ever need help, then these are some options. Of course, if you're a part of our Discord server, then you might have seen we have an Ask Admin, and our admins and directors here at KD with Hacks, we try our best to answer your questions as soon as we can. If you have questions about submission, check out our dev post. It has frequently asked questions if you want to go there. But again, I think the best way is our Discord server. Other ways, they are on our KD Youth Hack website. There's also frequently asked questions, which you could see, and possibly one of your questions can be answered. We also have resources on Discord. And then again, we have Ask Admin on Discord, which I personally feel is like the best way to go. But yeah, so if you ever need help, we are there for you, and don't hesitate to reach out.
Okay, awesome. So that concludes our opening ceremony. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out and good luck with all your projects. If you guys have questions right now, we can probably answer them on Zoom as well.
So if you have any questions, feel free to stick on and we can answer them. But yeah, that concludes our opening ceremony.
Thank you guys.
Is
Feel free to like DM us or just type in chat if you don't want to like talk as well.
yeah.
Oh, so I had a question. So for the workshop I'm hosting tomorrow, I was wondering like what do you think would be like the most helpful thing that I should show like the participants like how to code? Like I'm gonna just like talk about like obviously like the fundamentals of JavaScript and stuff, but I'm just wondering like is there like a specific like application that I could like introduce them how to build that would be helpful to this like year's theme?
Yeah, that's an interesting question. So our theme this year, like again, is accessibility. So it would be cool if you could show like a project that's like promotes this theme in some way.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for hosting your workshop as well. I have a question that asked how many judges there will be. So we have a team of our like club members, so Prisha, I, and some other people, as well as some professionals. So we have one from I think Google, and then we have one from Visa and Amazon this year. So we have around 7 other external judges that will all be judging your projects as well. So in total, around 10 judges.
But that's a great question. So if y'all have more, feel free.
Yeah.
I got a question on when is the deadline for the hackathon. The deadline is 8 a.m. CDT. So on Sunday, August 4th. So it's 36 hours. So yeah.
Okay, so I got a question on why our name is Katie Youth Hacks. Well, our club is Girls Who Code Katie, and then we're promoting technology for youth. So that's how we got our name.
Another question is, oh, if I can send the Discord server link. Yes, I absolutely can. Or actually, if Crystal could, I
Yeah,
can
I got you.
yeah, leave the what? Yeah, of course.
Here, I'll put it in the general chat.
Mhm.
Okay, someone asked if the prizes are like per team or per person on the team. The prizes will be per team. So each team will receive, like, for example, like one keyboard or one mouse. So you guys can choose however you want to distribute this out. Okay, I think the questions aren't coming in anymore. And I think if you guys have anything else, please let us know in the Ask Admin server. And yeah, thank you guys for coming. Have a great night.